and welcome to the Opal and Mommy Baking Show. Say I'm Opal. Really loud, say I'm Opal.
I'm Opal.
And I'm Mommy.
I'm Mommy.
No, I'm Mommy. And today we are going to bake a staple of this house because we often have bananas that go bad. So what are we going to make, Opal?
Banana.
Banana bread, yeah.
Banana bread.
Yep. The first thing we need to do is preheat the oven. Can you say preheat the oven?
Eat the ashes.
Yep. I want to show y'all what happened to my oven the other day, though. I was cooking, for dinner time, and I went to open the oven, and it fell off into my hand. So right now, it's on there kind of, sort of, but not really strongly. So, oh dear. Okay, so we're going to be real careful while we're baking in the oven today, aren't we?
Careful.
Yep. Be careful.
Be careful.
All right, we'll see you soon.
I see you.
All right, I believe I've gotten all the ingredients together. This is non-stick spray. We're going to spray it into our pan. Why would we spray this into the can, Opal? Do you know? Or into the pan? So that it doesn't stick. Yeah, we don't want it to stick to the bottom or else we can't eat it. What's that in your hand? What is this?
Oh.
Yeah, you're so smart. All right.
Bowl.
All right, we got the bananas in the bowl. You ready? What do? We mash. You do it? Those are kind of tough to mash, aren't they? You're doing a good job, but it's kind of hard, huh? You want help from Mommy? No? All right. This might take all day, folks, but we're going to let her mash them. Opal has made me aware that she is scared of something in this kitchen. So, hopefully she comes back. Maybe, maybe not, One hack I would like to share with you. Oh, now she's under the table. One hack I'd like to show you is to keep your kitchen clean while you're baking. A really good idea is to get all your ingredients together before you start so it goes nice and smoothly. And then as you put them in, you put them away where they belong. So that at the end, all you have to do is the dishes, right? All right, we've figured out what she's scared of. It's the oven. Because I said that we need to be careful, I think, is where that stemmed from. But we're going to make it through. Right, Opal? Say, yep.
Yeah.
I'm a big, strong girl.
Eat.
Scared. Say, I'm a big, strong girl.
Go.
Good job. All right,
Yeah.
let's stir. You stir for Mom? Good job. Not the vanilla. We got the butter next. This
Wow.
used to be what you were holding. And now it's all melted. You pour it in. Good job. And then we stir. Can you stir? Opal's so good at this.
Yes.
You're not scared, honey. It's gonna be okay. Hey, Opal! Under the table. She's coming back because she's been promised a blue jelly bean. All right, come on up. All right, pour the sugar in. Very good job. Opal's so good at the sugar. And then we're gonna do the eggs, which is also your favorite step, isn't it? You love to crack eggs. Yeah.
Good.
You don't have to be scared, sweetie pie. Mommy's right here. I'm gonna keep you safe. Eggs.
Eyes.
Yep. And we gotta
Yeah.
beat the eggs. Good job. She's stirring in that sugar. All right, we're gonna beat them eggs and put them in. I hope she overcomes this fear very soon. Otherwise, this might be the last Opal and Mommy baking show. I'm stirring in the flour, and then I'll pour it in the pan, put it in the oven, all by myself.